And in a freewheeling chat with ET Now, the undisputed queen of Indian M&A and Tata Group advisor Zia Modi says age is the biggest strength of Cyrus Mistry, who will continue the trend of big-ticket deals set by Ratan Tata and continue to press the pedal on gobbling up strategic assets. Modi also hopes that market watchdog SEBI will pull up its socks when it comes to tackling insider trading.
I think his age is his strength, actually, not his challenge. I think the challenge is, as Mr. Tata's farewell letter, which was publicized, says, just the world next year. It's going to be a tough, tough world. Mr. Mistry is going to have to battle and navigate his way through things which are essentially beyond his control. But, you know, there's a year after that and a year after that, and he has many miles to go. So I don't think we can really base it on the immediate future.
Do you expect a Tata as acquisitive as it was during the Ratan Tata era?
Most likely. I mean, hasn't Cyrus made a statement that he's going to pump in 45,000 crores in Indian and overseas investments? So I don't think he's going to slow down. But I think, as always, there will be calibrated, rational decisions that you would expect a group of their size to make.
If there is one area that you could pinpoint when it comes to insider trading norms in India, wherein we need to pull up our socks, what would that one pointed area be?
Proper surveillance software by SEBI. I think the main lesson is quick enforcement. I mean, we are constantly reading about, trying to basically capture in the hedge fund space, if you like, all people who have traded on inside information. Why are we getting verdicts in a year? In India, we would not get verdicts in a year. So I think that when people read about it, again, you know, what is America doing? It's disseminating it. It's making people aware of it. If you do this, you could go to jail. Do you want to go to jail? Do you want to lose your mansion? Do you want to lose your yacht? So be careful. So I think that's what is not happening here.